Hey, welcome to Watson's Wagons. I have something that my wife wants me to show everybody. How to clean strawberries.
Because it's disgusting.
Because they're disgusting when you get them. You know, like little parasites and bugs and stuff walking around down. Put them under a microscope and you'll see what I'm talking about. Watch this. So, step number one, we're gonna rinse off these strawberries. Since my wife didn't have her nails done, she's got me doing this. All right. Do a little rinse. Is that good enough?
Yep.
All right, strawberries are gonna go into this big bowl. Put it back in the bowl. So 3 cups of water. Now this is distilled water because we want clean drinking water. None of the chemical crap that comes out of the faucet. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna do 1 cup of vinegar, okay? Distilled white vinegar. And this is gonna sit in here for 10 minutes. Just mix up just a little bit. All right, let the strawberries sit in there for 10 minutes.
Tick tock, tick tock.
So looking in here, you can see things that are separating from the strawberries settling to the bottom. Ew. Look at all that stuff. Fibers and floaties and things. All right, that was 10 minutes. Now let's get back over here and put a little bit of your handy dandy pure baking soda, all right? We're gonna give these things a bubble bath, kind of like you did in elementary school when you were making volcanoes for your science project. That's kind of like putting hydrogen peroxide on your boo-boos and they fuzz up. So you mix it up a little bit and just kind of wait until all the bubbling stops and we're gonna rinse them. I'm just gonna scoop these guys out because I don't want to disturb the bottom. And put it in this little strainer. So you be the judge. Not sure if getting organic makes the difference or not, but this is the size container that we just washed. And, you know, well, we got these guys in here. We're just gonna rinse them. And then we're gonna set them on a paper towel and sort of let them dry off a little bit. And supposedly this helps with storage as well. So we'll see. The boilers do look good. So Mama did her blueberries. And we got our strawberries. But I guess I should do a taste test to see if it altered the flavor at all.
Yeah, there's something on that one.
Oh, I don't care. We cleaned it, so it doesn't matter. Tastes just like regular strawberries.